Welcome to our Xara SEO series. In this video, you'll learn how to add alternative text to your website's images. Alt text is not only useful for improving SEO but also for enhancing your website's accessibility and user experience. To add alt text, first, select an image from your website. Then, access the Web Properties panel. Click the Image tab, then add your alternative text to the Caption, Alt Text, input field. A good alt text provides a semantic meaning and a description of an image used by search engines to return search results. In this example, for this house for sale image, our alt text could be 3-bedroom home for sale, featured at street name, Miami, Florida. You can also access alt text through the Images Properties panel. Make sure to include one or two of your main keywords, and keep your alt text under 125 characters. Watch our next video to learn more about creating an SEO-optimized website with Xara.